Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about stock market update and we will figure out is it bull trap or it's a bull trend. What's going on with the stock market world? Let's move to VBull and we will figure out. Let's move to VBull. Okay. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description and there is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Looks like it was fully bullish day, right? It opened positive from the futures, and all day it was moving up. Yeah, Nasdaq closed 2%, right? S&P closed 2.25, and Dow 0.80. Bullish trend. The world is green. World is green. Everything beautiful in the world. Market everywhere is green. Okay, let's move to our charts. Dollar. Before let me mention about my setup quickly. This line shows the all moving averages color and value. White line MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, green line MA 5. MACD indicator, green line, red line signal line, RSI indicator, green line, red line signal line, awesome oscillator green is the bullish, red is the bearish. That's all, very simple. Let's start it. For swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame only. Let's start it. DXY, US dollar daily. Red bar, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. MACD did bearish crossover, RSI ready for bearish crossover also, awesome oscillator red. It means dollar is bearish, it is bullish for indexes. 4 hours time frame, bearish on MACD, on moving averages, on RSI and awesome oscillator, last bar closed below even MA50. Bearish trend, bullish for indexes. 1 hour time frame, bearish. It closed below MA200. MACD bearish, RSI awesome oscillator bearish. It's bullish for indexes. Okay, let's move to Qs. Qs daily time frame. Let me maybe minimize my indicators because they're kind of large and my bars are small. Yeah, like this one at least. Okay, Qs daily time frame. This green line is a major trend line from the top of the market. Qs, the last bar still above this major trend line. It touched, yesterday it touched 200. It was double bottom or triple bottom, and it bounced from it very quickly, and today it touched MA20. MA20 is a very strong resistance. It can be resistant. It can be rejected on Monday. It can go down. We'll see. So far, it's a bullish. Actually, it's not bullish. MA5, it's positive. It wants to go bullish. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. MACD is changing direction. RSI changing direction to bullish, and awesome oscillator to green. MACD, it's in a positive trend. On daily, it's still kind of not fully confirmed bullish, but it is positive. On 4 hours time frame, let's see, it's completely different. It's already bullish, right? It's already bullish. Let me maximize it a little bit. Last 4 bars, large move. Last bar touched the MA50, right? Blue line. It's above MA20. It's a bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and ready to do bullish crossover over 20. It is bullish, but it touched MA50. It can be rejected from MA50 and connect back to MA20 or MA5. It did close the gap today, and it still has one small gap above. It's like not small, like $2 gap at around $303. We'll see if it's going to be rejected, but it's still bullish. Bullish on MACD, on RSI, and awesome oscillator bullish reversal signal on 4 hours time frame for Qs. For us, it is market change direction from bearish to bullish. We are following the market, right? We follow the market. It is bullish, and I don't see any bearish divergences to say it's a bull trap. Looks like it's a market bullish reversal signal. It's not a bull trap so far. 1 hour time frame, bullish run, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20, 50, 100 and 200, and last bar close during the 1 day, right? During the last 2 days from yesterday, since yesterday. Yesterday it was below all moving averages, and today it closed above all moving averages. It left a small gap here, like 50 cents, till 30 cents. It was 92, yeah, 30, yeah, 32 cents, 33 cents. And this gap, and I believe it wants to close this gap also, and after that it will reject it, it will go down. Maybe it will go, it closes gap, it will be some little bit huge. Yeah, maybe it's already did some small move and closes the 30 cents gap, and after that it will be rejected. It will be connected to MA50, MA20 also, because what it left gap below, right? It left gap below. We need to close this gap also, and it's far from 820, right? Last bar far from 820. At the same time, we have 5 did bullish crossover over 200. That's good. That's positive. It can connect to 820 and close the gap because it's RSI in the overbought territory. On 1 hour time frame, it's overbought. It can connect to 820 and 50. We'll see. So far, still bullish. Bullish on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. Only daily still bearish with bullish positive signal. Let's move to VXN. VXN volatility index. For Nasdaq, it is bearish and it means bullish for Nasdaq. SPY. Let's move to SPY. SPY daily. SPY daily, MA5 ready for bullish crossover, MACD, RSI ready for bullish crossover, awesome oscillator bullish. Looks like it's a bullish, yeah, it's also last bar didn't touch 20, but looks like it wants to touch 20, but 20 is downtrend and can be strong resistant. Remember, it can touch 20 and be rejected. And can be rejected. And it's a similar like Qs, right? Yesterday bar it touched MA 200 and a major trend line and bounced from that major trend line. It tested major trend line and bounced from it. We'll see, will it continue to go bullish or it will go and retest it again and lower? I don't know. So far it's positive. So far it's positive on daily time frame. On 4 hours time frame, it's positive also. It's a bullish. It bounced from that line, from the trend line, and it's MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 100, and it's ready to do bullish crossover over 20. Bullish trend, but you see this last bar can touch the MA50, and MA50 can be resistant. It can be rejected from it. Still bullish on RSI, on moving on MACD, on awesome oscillator, bullish on all indicators on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, also bullish, right? Bullish, it touched gap and gap around MA 200. And it can be rejected from this gap and it can be rejected from 200. Or it can close the gap, maybe close this gap, and after that it will be sell off. We have 2 gaps above and it left 1 gap below. Let's see, because gap works, when it touched gap, it can be rejected. Or it can fill the gap and close the gap and can be rejected after that. We'll see. And at the same time, we have MA200, the same level. It can be rejected from MA200, especially RSI in the overbought territory, right, on 1 hour time frame. It's bullish on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame, but it's overbought on 1 hour time frame. It can be rejected. has strong resistance level, similar like Qs. Let's move to VIX. VIX daily, bearish trend. MA5 did bearish crossover over all moving averages and closed below all moving averages. Bearish on RSI on RSI and MACD on awesome oscillator. Bearish trend, it means bullish for SPY. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily, it's a positive. Yeah, MA5 did turn direction from bearish to bullish. MACD change direction from bearish to bullish. RSI also, it did already bullish crossover. MACD also oscillator bullish, like two indicators already did bullish signal. On daily time frame for Dow, they almost touched MA200. Bullish, MA20 did bearish crossover over 50. Looks like it wants to connect to MA20 and 50. Maybe it will be rejected from strong resistance, will be rejected from MA50 and MA20 on Monday. We'll see. 4 hours time frame for Dow. 4 hours time frame bullish. Bullish, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20 and 200. MACD bullish, RSI bullish, awesome oscillator bullish. All in a bullish trend. It has also a small gap above. At the MA50 level, maybe it wants to go and close this gap. But negative thing, it's all bullish on all indicators, but negative, MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. It can bring price action back to 20 because 20 is very powerful moving averages line. That's only one negative, but everything else bullish except MA20. Have attention, pay attention on the MA20 line. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour for Dow. 1 hour for Dow, it's bullish, right? On all indicators, it's over on RSI, it's in overbought territory, right? It's on the level RSI in the 74. Everything above the 70, it's a bullish. It's all overbought, right? Last bar close above MA200, MA100, I'm sorry, 100. MA200 at the gap resistant level. Looks like it wants to move up and touch the MA200 and resistant and gap resistant, maybe close gap, and after that it will sell off. That's possible, it can happen on Monday. We'll see. Bullish on 1 hour time frame with overbought RSI. Let's move to VXD. Volatility index. For Dow, it is bearish, MA5 did bearish crossover, MACD kind of flat, RSI bullish. It's mixed mode. For Dow, it's mixed mode. Okay. It's mixed mode, it's not confirmed, fully confirmed. Two indicators bearish, two indicators bullish, 50-50. IWM, Russell 2000. Daily, bullish trend, MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD not confirmed yet, RSI bullish, awesome oscillator bullish. Looks like 3 of 4 indicators already bullish. It is bullish trend. Only IWM on daily time frame bullish. Other indexes, they are still bearish. They're kind of in a 50-50 mode. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend, bullish crossover. Last bar touched the MA50. Bullish trend on all indicators. 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. Bullish trend. It touched, actually it's not touched, it partially closed the gap, right? And the gap started at this level and it partially closed. Not fully. Looks like on Monday it wants to move up and close the gap. And after that it can go down to connect to MA20 because it's far from MA20. And it's RSI touched overbought territory. Still bullish on 1 hour time frame. No, nothing critical. Apple daily. Let's try. Let's see what. Apple was bearish yesterday, below MA200. Today it was huge move and it connected to MA20. Still bearish on MACD, bullish on RSI, bullish on oscillator. Yeah, like 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators still bearish on daily time frame for Apple. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bullish, not did, it wants to go bullish crossover. Last bar closed below above all moving averages. It is positive. MACD did bullish crossover, RSI bullish crossover, oscillator bullish. Bullish trend on 4 hours time frame for Apple. It's a bullish for Apple on all time frame, all moving averages except 100 above 200. It's a bullish trend. 1 hour, last bar above all moving averages. It's actually, yeah, it almost touched the gap above. It still has 2 gaps, and it left gap below. We'll see. Maybe it will touch that gap on Monday and will be rejected, or it will fill that gap and close that gap, and after that it will be rejected. We'll see. Or it will continue to close both gaps, uptrend, and after that it will be correction. We'll see. Still bullish on all indicators. RSI very close to overbought territory. Apple bullish on all indicators, on all time frames. That's nice. It was yesterday, it was bearish on all indicators. Today is bullish. One day change, completely changed direction for Apple. Tesla. Let's see Tesla. Tesla on daily, still bearish on all indicators. Tesla still bearish on daily time frame. And yeah, and on daily it left huge gap, several gaps below. We'll see, is it going to go back and close all gaps or what's going on, but still bearish on all indicators. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, still last bar still below MA20, MA5 below MA20 and 10, still bearish. MACD bearish, RSI bearish, oscillator bearish. 1 hour time frame, it's a bullish, right? 1 hour it was very oversold. It touched MA200 and it bounced from it. And MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, touched 50 and rejected from MA50. MACD bullish, RSI bullish, oscillator bullish on 1 hour time frame. Bullish trend on 1 hour time frame. No changes. Okay. Let's see. Let's move to BABA. Daily time frame. BABA is weak, right? BABA is weak. It's dancing around 100 for last 6 days. It's dancing around 100. Okay, maybe 100 will be support because on RSI it's oversold territory. Oscillator changed to green. Maybe it will bounce. It will bounce from MA100. MA5 just did it change in direction from bearish, from downtrend to flat. MA20 is still downtrend. MA10 did bearish crossover over 200. Still bearish, negative, with kind of resistance, because like it's a strong resistance at this level. Remember, around like 95 and 85. A lot of resistance, a lot of support in this case, sorry, a lot of support and resistance, because it touched MA100, touched 200, now 200 resistance, 100 support. Okay, bearish trend on daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, let's see. Still around MA200, MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD did bullish crossover, RSI bullish crossover, oscillator bullish. On 4 hours time frame, it wants to go bullish. It's building bullish divergences. But remember, yellow line MA20 downtrend and it wants to do bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish signal. It is bearish signal. But on all indicators, it has bullish signal. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's bullish, right? MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Last bar close above 20. MACD, RSI, awesome oscillator bullish on 1 hour time frame. We'll see if it can close above MA50 or it will be rejected from MA50, like here. It was rejected here from MA50. It was rejected here. It was rejected here. It was rejected a lot of times. You see, many times it was rejected from MA50. MA50, very strong resistance. And it has gap over here. Maybe it wants to close this gap. It has multiple gaps. Still bullish on 1 hour time frame. Let's see if it can handle MA50 will reject it or it will do bullish crossover over 50. Bullish on 1 hour, on 4 hours still yeah, mixed mode, still bullish also for last 3 bars, and daily it is bearish. Okay, let's do summary. Looks like all indexes, very huge change today. It was very huge change today. Like I mentioned, for Apple, it was bearish yesterday, and today, from yesterday, like for last 2 days, yesterday and today, it changed direction from bearish to bullish. All indexes on daily time frame, they're still in mixed mode. 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. But on the 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame, they all already bullish. And looks like market did bullish reversal signal, and it did change market to bullish direction. It changed market to bullish direction. That's what I can say. On daily, it's not fully confirmed, but on 4 hours, it's already confirmed bullish direction. On weekly, it is bullish direction also. Looks like now all indexes wants to have bullish direction on all time frames, on daily, on weekly, on 4 hours time frame. That's what we have. Market change direction from bearish to bullish. That's all. Let's move to my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. For educational purpose, we are using paper trading account, no real money. Thank you so much. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and options and cryptos. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you and good luck. Bye now. Tomorrow I will publish weekly and monthly review. Please watch it. Thank you so much.